What's going on, YouTube? PK, Portugal, PK Networks. Yeah, so y'all can hear that right now. I'm over here getting my tires done. Yeah, I'm just over here getting my tires done. It's good. Alright, so we're getting ready to slide out real quick. Quick maneuvers, you know what I'm saying? Made some driving, Y'all gotta be out here with me. Y'all lucky I ain't in the Porsche, man, or a Mercedes or the BMW or something. Boy, I'd be out here with game proper, I'm telling you. But yeah, y'all remember to like and subscribe, man. I just came down here to get my tire done and everything. Um, Not too much. Probably about to go back to the house and edit these videos and get it back to you guys. But I got some other stuff coming on the channel. Like I said, I got this stuff like when you're a reporter, first on the scene, with me. And then I got some other stuff coming where, Attack of the Karens. Y'all remember that one, boy. I'm not gonna have that on my channel right now, the M.S.V, because those are, not short vids. Those are like more longer. But it's called SOS Attack of the Karens. Okay, that's one of my other channels. Okay, look for that. I got it where I'm riding my mini bikes. It's called Mini Bike Vision. All right. So yeah, Mini Bike Vision. Other than that, I got some other stuff like PK's house. Y'all be seeing it happening at my house. Shit was just happening. And then anytime I move to another house, some shit always happens, right? So yeah, it all happens at PK's house. That's a lot of M.S.V, my short vids, or a couple of long forms, right? So there's my other channel, or that I'm working on, building replicas and stuff like that. People for that's out there who understand what replicas are. They're just like the next best thing, really. Uh, got that on the way. Working on my clothing line, stuff like that. Of course, I got Undercover Boss, Undercover Brother Edition, where I basically get these jobs and I go in there and, like I said, either they're doing their shit right or they're not, or they're getting exposed. You feel me? Y'all got to stay tuned for that. That's kind of wild too. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and hop on this freeway, man. Y'all remember to like and subscribe, man. I'm telling you, I'm gonna keep coming with this content, man. This shit hot. Nah, fuck that. The freeway.